In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert USD to PHP in PayPal. If you have US dollars sitting in your PayPal balance and you want to change them into Philippine pesos, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to tap and what to look for along the way. To begin, open PayPal and go to your wallet. This is the section where you can see the currencies and balances currently available in your account. If you hold more than one currency, this is where PayPal organizes them, making it easier to manage your funds. Once you're inside the wallet, find your USD balance. Make sure you're selecting the US dollar balance specifically, since that's the one you want to convert from. Next to that balance, look for the three dots icon. This usually opens a small menu with more options related to that currency. Click the three dots icon on the USD balance and from the menu that appears, select Convert Currency. This is the option that allows you to move money from one currency balance into another directly within PayPal. After that, choose PHP as the currency you want to convert your money into. This tells PayPal that you want to turn your US dollars into Philippine pesos. Then, enter the amount you want to convert. You can convert all of your USD balance or just a portion of it, depending on what you need. Take a second here to review the amount carefully so you don't convert more than intended. At this stage, PayPal will normally show you the conversion details before you continue. This is useful because you can check the exchange result and make sure everything looks correct before finishing the transaction. If the amount and the target currency are right, go ahead and proceed. And there you go. Your USD will be converted into PHP in your PayPal account. That's all there is to it. Just go to Wallet, open the three dots menu on your USD balance, choose Convert Currency, select PHP, and enter the amount you want to convert. It's a quick process, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you need to manage your PayPal balances.